network of senior living centers needed to modernize its outdated analog phone system, but recabling over 15 facilities to support a new IP platform risked high costs, extended timelines, and critical care disruption. The integrator recommended NVT Phybridge PoLRE switch innovations to overcome the project's challenges. In just a few simple steps, the PoLRE switch transformed the existing single-pair UTP infrastructure into a robust, secure, and high-performance PoE backbone, reaching up to 1,200 feet. Impressed by the initial results, the organization moved forward with their RingCentral hosted voice deployment, installing over 700 IP phones across 16 locations without unnecessary costs or disruption. The PoLRE switch enabled fast, predictable, and scalable deployment while reducing project timelines and improving ROI. In the end, the senior living centers avoided tons of e-waste, aligned with their sustainability goals, and delivered enhanced communication for staff and residents. Are you planning a digital transformation project? Let's work together to replicate this success. Book a meeting with us today or join our webinar to learn more about our special offers.